Guys, really quick video. If you've ever had problems with trying to link your Facebook on DistroKid, the reason why is because it doesn't tell you this no matter where you go. The actual link doesn't work. I've searched all around online and everyone says just copy paste copy. No, it doesn't work because when you copy and paste it, okay, you see it has that www stuff in it. Go to DistroKid. You can't have that in there or it messes with the URL. And then this section, the profile, all that extra stuff, if you put that in, it won't work either. You can only put the numbers. Or if it just says your name. For some reason, mine doesn't say my name. I don't know why. But I literally couldn't figure that out for an entire year. And I just found out. And maybe y'all are struggling too. Maybe this helps. I hope this helps. Good guy.
What's up? Yep, I'm feeling stuck. Yep, you see me going out. Going out, I can't let nothing stop. What the hell am I doing? I feel so goddamn lost. Going out, I'm so going out. Inhale and exhale.